Adding a vertical menu in Wix can enhance the user experience and organization of your website. To start, log into your Wix account and access the editor for the website you want to modify. First, click on the Add button on the top bar of the editor. Then select Menu from the drop-down options. Choose the type of menu you want to add. In this case, a vertical menu. Wix will then prompt you to choose a location for your menu. Select the area where you want the menu to appear. You can choose from a variety of layouts and customize the menu to fit your website design. Next, you will need to add menu items. Click on the Add Item button and select the type of item you want to add, such as a page, link, or anchor. Give your menu item a name and set the link or destination. You can also add submenus by clicking on the three dots next to the menu item and selecting Add Submenu. This allows you to create a hierarchical menu structure. Once you have added all your menu items, you can customize the design and layout of your menu. Use the Settings panel to change the font, color, and spacing of your menu items. To make your menu responsive, use the device view options to test how your menu looks on different devices. You can also use the Wix built-in features to make your menu sticky or fixed to the side of the screen. Best practices for adding a vertical menu in Wix include keeping your menu concise and easy to navigate, using clear and descriptive menu item names, and testing your menu on different devices to ensure it is responsive and user-friendly. By following these steps and tips, you can create a functional and visually appealing vertical menu in Wix that enhances the user experience of your website.